A trustworthy folding knife can literally save your life in situations involving survival and self-defense. These knives, in contrast to fixed blades, are strong and portable, making them convenient to carry while maintaining dependable performance in emergency situations. By 2025, folding knives have improved with stronger steels, more seamless deployment mechanisms, and ergonomic designs adapted to everyday situations. The correct folder guarantees that you're never caught off guard, whether you're preparing for high-pressure tactical situations or daily emergencies. 10 of the best folding knives that combine strength, creativity, and self-defense into one potent package are examined in this list. The Cold Steel 4 Max Scout is a heavy-duty folding knife built for maximum strength and reliability in the toughest conditions. It features a massive 4-inch stone-washed clip-point blade made from rugged AUS 108 stainless steel, offering excellent toughness, corrosion resistance, and ease of maintenance. Designed for hard use, the blade is paired with Cold Steel's renowned Triad lock, one of the strongest locking mechanisms in the industry, ensuring unmatched safety during heavy tasks. The handle is crafted from grix with stainless steel liners, delivering a secure, ergonomic grip while keeping the knife durable and weather-resistant. Measuring 10-inch overall when open and weighing 10.2 ounces. The 4 Max Scout is a powerhouse that can tackle chopping, cutting, and survival applications with ease. Built for those who demand strength above all else, it's an ideal companion for outdoor survivalists, campers, and anyone needing a folding knife that performs like a fixed blade. The Kershaw Launch One is a sleek American-made automatic knife that blends modern design with rugged functionality. Featuring a 3.4-inch CPM 154 stainless steel blade. It delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness, making it suitable for both everyday carry and demanding outdoor tasks. The drop point blade has a durable stone-washed finish that helps hide scratches while reducing glare. With the push of a button, the Launch One deploys lightning fast thanks to its smooth automatic action, while a strong push-button lock ensures safety and reliability. The handle is crafted from lightweight anodized aluminum shape for a secure grip and designed for all-day carry. At 8.1-inch overall and weighing just 4 ounces, it offers the perfect balance of strength and portability. Backed by Kershaw's precision craftsmanship, the Launch One is a dependable choice for self-defense, utility, and anyone seeking a high-performance automatic folder. The CRKT Zolidol is a tactical folding knife designed by renowned custom knife maker Michael Rodriguez of Far Knives. Inspired by traditional fighting blades, it combines speed, strength, and precision in a modern folding design. The Zolidol features a 3.64-inch spearpoint blade crafted from 1.416 stainless steel, offering outstanding edge retention and durability for demanding tasks. Its black oxide finish enhances corrosion resistance while reducing glare, making it ideal for tactical use. The blade deploys quickly via the low-profile flipper tab and runs on a KBS ball-bearing pivot system for smooth, rapid action. A liner lock mechanism keeps the blade secure during use, while the textured black G10 handle provides a solid non-slip grip. At 8.94-inch overall and just 4 ounces, the Zolidol is lightweight yet built for serious performance. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it's a formidable folder that delivers both functionality and combat-ready style. The WE Knife Roxy 3 is a premium folding knife that blends modern design with top-tier performance. Designed by custom knife makers Todd and Mark Fromier of Todd Knife & Tool, it's built for everyday carry yet tough enough for demanding tasks. The Roxy 3 features a 3.14-inch Horncliffe blade made from CPMS 35VN stainless steel known for its excellent edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. A stone-washed finish adds durability while maintaining a sleek look. The blade deploys smoothly with a flipper tab running on a ceramic ball-bearing pivot, ensuring fast and effortless opening. Its titanium handle enhanced with a steel lock bar insert offers lightweight strength and a reliable frame lock system for security during use. At 7.2-inch overall and weighing just for 5 ounces, the Roxy 3 balances portability with cutting power. Stylish, durable, and precise, it's a standout option for knife enthusiasts and serious EDC users alike. The Off-Grid Stinger XL is a heavy-duty folding knife built for those who need maximum strength and cutting power in an EDC or tactical tool. Featuring a massive 4-inch blade crafted from tough 154 for cm steel with a tumbled black finish, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for hard use. The wide drop point design provides versatility for slicing, piercing, and rugged outdoor tasks. Its blade deploys rapidly with a flipper tab riding on smooth ceramic ball bearings, locking securely with a strong liner lock. The handle is constructed from textured G10 scales, ensuring a comfortable non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Measuring 9.25-inch overall, the Stinger 40 is a full-size powerhouse that feels solid in hand without being overly bulky. Complete with a deep carry pocket clip and ambidextrous design, it's a reliable choice for survival, tactical use, or everyday heavy-duty carry.